Good afternoon. Introducing Casarena on the lake. Right behind me is Lake Cannon right here in Winter Haven. You're going to really enjoy all the features of this beautiful condo, over 2,000 square feet. I wanted to show you the nice gated entrance when you first drive up here so you can get an idea of the security of this community. Again, right on Lake Cannon, beautiful views. Let's go take a look. So we're right in front of 14 Casarena. You can see it's got a 2-car garage. It's got a really nice entrance. Try to give you an idea of the outside, the architecture. So I'm going to flip this around and then walk you down to the water before we go inside so you can see exactly how this is laid out. All right, before we go inside, here's the outside of the unit. You can see, again, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Yeah, there's a couple designated parking spaces. There's one for this unit, one for the one next door. Then there's some random general parking around here. Only 2 streets, so you can see it's got really beautiful pavers. This is going into the 2-car garage. This is your next door neighbor. It's got a Spanish Mediterranean look. I'm just gonna walk the street here to kind of give you an idea of what this looks like. Tile roofs. Love the architecture of these buildings. And basically you can walk all the way down to Lake Cannon. Now you're going to see this also when you first drive in to the community. You'll see the lake directly in front of you. So let's walk down here and give you an idea of what this looks like. All right, so we're at the very end of the cul-de-sac here. So when you drive in here, you can turn around. This is the very last unit. They're doing a little bit of dock work down here, but you can see they're working on that. But they got a little bench here if you want to sit down. And you've got Lake Cannon right here. Nice sized lake, nice and private, quiet. There is a gazebo down here if you want to hang out this way with some friends underneath some shade. So really nice and pretty. And then this is looking back up the street that we're going to go see the inside of the condo. All right, let's go take a spin inside, see what we think. And you've got pavers walking up to the front. It's a nice open floor plan when you first walk in. Let's shut this door so we can kind of try to beat some of the heat here. All right, so I'm gonna walk straight ahead, then I'm gonna come back and show you what that is. But when you first walk in, you're gonna see ceramic tile flooring all throughout. Got some skylights for some natural light. We dropped a video earlier on this, but there was furniture in it, so now it's vacant. Really gives you a good idea of how large this unit is. Over 2,000 square feet. You can see it's been really well taken care of. Got mirrors everywhere, so you're seeing me walk right down there. But this is nice because you have the same flooring throughout on the bottom floor here. Great for normal wear and tear. So let's come back before we look at the kitchen too detailed. Let me show you when you first walk in, you can get an idea. Lots of windows, so lots of natural light, pretty wooden doors. So coming back to the front, there's a half bath right here. So this is your downstairs hall bath, guest bath, if you will. There's a little bit of a small closet here. You got your breaker box located in here. And this is, again, half bath. And skylight right there. Framed mirror, really pretty, nice sink. You can tell they've replaced that at some point. So nice sized hall bath. That is red. You may want to paint that beige or just leave it red. It's got a little bit of color to it, that's for sure. This is great if you want to put some fake plants in here or what have you. All right, so I showed you the main area because you can put your wall unit this way, your entertainment center, or your 85-inch big screen to watch all your NFL football or what have you. Big dining area, Now, the nice thing about this is all the French doors and the privacy. So you can leave these open, and I'm gonna show you that in just a second, but it's all private. So you could literally leave these open all the time if you wanted to. Nice sized kitchen because it has a lot of cabinet space, a lot of counter space. They've done a few little updates on it. So first of all, I really like this. This is really pretty. It's like a tile countertop. At some point, they put in this big old huge aluminum farm sink, which is great. Dishwasher, range, microwave, but they ran the tile all the way through here. Updated the fridge. So little space here, you can hang some items up. Again, the ceramic tile flooring is throughout. And this is great because it overlooks the huge area. They've got some bar stools over here, so you can kind of tuck these up underneath here and seat. Got 4 people here. And some lights, so nice size. Now before we go upstairs, this is a storage closet. This is to your 2-car garage. Pretty basic garage, 2-car garage is through that door. Well, let's go upstairs to see the rest of the condo. What I like about these stairs as I went up and prepared and turned the lights on is the stairs it's all wood and it's really easy to climb. They're not really long or wide. Easy landing spaces, nice and wide, small gaps. So not steep stairs is what I was looking for. And there's a nice handrail too. So it's kind of easy to get up and down the stairs. Now, when you first walk up here, you're gonna see the real wood floors and there's built-ins. So this is great. So you've got all these built-ins right here. Perfect for an office area. You could put a desk on this wall here if you'd like to, or even overlooking this way, because you have a lot of natural light. But these are great built-ins. You got some lights there. So 2 en-suites. This is we're gonna call this the primary suite. This is the other suite, but they're both en-suites with bathrooms, full baths. This is a massive room. I don't know if you can tell, but in the previous pictures, we had a big old poster bed here, big furniture. Now you can see how open and spacious the room is. Still have the dresser in here. We'll throw that in. How about that? And you can see nice space. Closets I'm going to show you in just a minute, but there are double doors. You can close, there's blinds there for privacy. And you've got an intercom system. Can you believe it? And by the way, it works. I've got it on downstairs. I'm going to turn it on up here and turn the volume up. But, well, I say it works. Part of the AM radio works downstairs. So I don't know if the whole system works. How many of you remember intercom systems? Put in the chat below. Intercom systems, you remember, I grew up with one. Those were fun. Mom would call us to dinner or tell us to go pick up our rooms from downstairs. Now this is nice because this has some built-ins here, over here, and even tucked in over here too, you can see. So plenty of built-in. This is worth opening up. I'm just gonna show you this while we're here because I'm seeing not only built-ins here, plus, come on, got some shoes. Throw those shoes in there. Here's maybe hats. So it's great to have all these built-ins, which eliminates the real need for a lot of furniture in here because it's all can be in the closet space. Now, I cracked the blinds here because it's great for some natural light. This is a nice sized patio. We've got a plane flying overhead. You can kind of see everything. I mentioned tile roofs. There's tile roofs here, but these looks like they have metal roofs when they were replaced. But you can see the water from over here. There's Lake Cannon. So it's got a little outdoor patio. Right now, you don't want to sit in it because it's beginning of September, so a little toasty out. Although we felt a little bit of relief in weather here recently. Still not exactly cool outside. Now, excuse me. I love this deluxe master bathroom because of what they've done to it. Man, some nice touches. Really nice touches to the tile countertop with this, and then really the nice heavy framed mirrors here. They even got some crown molding. How about some tile on the ceiling? That's what I'm talking about. I mean, you talk about going all out. That is it. That is ceramic tile, ladies and gentlemen, on the ceiling. That angle showed it. So double sinks, good sized cabinets, tub, little shelf here, and then you just a slight little step up for your shower. Nice size shower. Again, somebody did a really nice job when they remodeled this bathroom with the tile. It's great. Multiple soap dishes, shampoo, soap, hang your washcloths, fit for a king. And the intercom system. Bring me some more toilet paper, or get on the phone and call them. Come on, how many people do I have that grew up with phones right in the bathroom area? That was deluxe right back then. So linen closet here. Let's go take a look at the other bedroom. Some of you watching this video may be thinking, I have no idea what you're talking about. What is a phone jack? Just ask your parents or your grandparents. Now this bedroom is also massive. Look at the wood floors, really pretty wood floors. By the way, look, these are real wood as that is too. So they're very, very pretty. They've been well taken care of. Love this because you can put your bed here, and then here's a sitting area for a desk, a chair, little small, maybe a small couch, love seat. We're gonna show you that in just a second. And right here, you can see kind of, there's the other part I told you, you can see the Lake Cannon from that way. This is straight here is to the entrance. That is somebody's condo, if you can believe that. So, nice sized bedroom here. Again, double doors to close those with privacy. So you have the blinds here. So you've got privacy, but it's nice, just pretty much leave those shut the whole time. We've got them open just for showing purpose. Here's the closet, excuse me, walk-in closet. Attic access up there. And here's your other full bathroom. Now this one has a tub, so it's got a tub and shower. Same thing, we've got ceiling tile everywhere. I'm sure these bathrooms were remodeled at the same time. Beautiful sink, framed mirror, towel bar. So really nice bathroom. Got the toilet area here. This is very well done with some of the lighting. So let's finish off by showing you downstairs and showing you the outside patio that I was talking about that's really private. So I know the owner before had some plants out there, that it was nice for that. You can put some patio furniture out there. Again, you've got a couple months of the year where it's nice to sit outside. We've been doing it lately at our house in the evenings or first thing in the morning, or even just to get outside and get some fresh air, right? So this is, you can see it's all private. And then this goes out to just a little area. This goes around to the side, nothing much here, but a little area to the side there. Get the gas hookup here, but nice size, huge porch. Looks like there's water over here for your plants. So I hope this has given you an idea of this beautiful condo. I'd love to show it to you. Winter Haven, right close to Lake Cannon. Shopping is literally right up the street. Restaurants, you name it. Would love to show it to you, give you some more information. Hope you've enjoyed this tour. Thank you so much for tuning in to this walkthrough video of this beautiful condo in Winter Haven. Please do me a favor, put your favorite feature below in the comments. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button whenever I drop more walkthrough videos or other valuable real estate content about buying or selling anywhere in Central Florida. You'll get notified. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Have a great day. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian.